Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a color palette in Canva. So to create a color palette, you can just easily use this app on Canva. First, you just need to open your Canva design. I've already opened a blank canvas like this. Go to apps, then just click on search in here and find the color palette AI. This one, click on the name of the app. Okay, so here the app will show up. You can just click on it to open the app. So by using this app, you can create amazing color palette with AI. Color palette AI helps you visualize your your desired color palette ideas through the power of AI. So let's hit on open. Now, what you need to do to generate the color palettes, you can just describe what you need in here in the palette description. You can describe the mood, style, or theme that you want for your color palette. So here I'm going to just, for example, deep and earthy color palette. Here you can also choose the number of colors that you want. I'm going to go with 6. Now you can just tap on generate palette in here and wait for the result to come out. Okay, so this is a deep and earthy color based on the color palette AI. Here you can choose the color that you want. This one is rich and warm, earthy tones, muted natural hues with strength, earthy tones with a hint of vibrancy, and the last one is dark and brooding earthy shades. So I'm going to add the last one. You can choose add to add as VG or add as an image. Let's try to add as image. You can click on it. So this will be the result. You can also click on add as VG. So just choose which one. You can enlarge the color palette if you want to make it bigger. You can just resize it like this. And so guys, that's all from me. That's how you can create color palettes easily on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.